Okay, I had to get a new case for my iPhone 12, and I usually was using the body glove, but it lasted about 3 years, and it finally got really bad as far as scratches go on the surface of it, which was protecting the screen. I got one of these ONN from Walmart cases, and it says drop protection for 15 feet. It costs $12.88. And here's the back of the box. A lifetime warranty, which means nothing, but I just wanted something that if I drop it, it isn't going to break. It doesn't have the screen guard like the body glove did. And this is a clear model. So all this is open. There's nothing covering the camera. The bottom doesn't have any water resistance protection. The phone itself has some resistance, but the case doesn't have any water protection like the body glove. The body glove was rated at waterproof. I would never test that. This one doesn't have any such rating as far as waterproof or water resistant. The phone itself should have some of that ability as far as resistance go. But it was $12.88, and it was pretty simple to put on. It comes with this, which I don't think anybody really uses. It looks really good as far as the construction goes. There's a hard plastic case, and then there's like a little rubber outer protection that it goes on. So it's pretty solid as far as, I think if you drop it, I don't think it's going to hurt it. Hopefully not anyway. The charging port is slightly covered. So you got to stick the charger in there. I'll see if the charger fits, the cable. I already tested it, and the wireless charging works with this one. So that works. It's got the openings for the mic and for the speaker. And it's got the rubber buttons on the side. Now one thing I did notice is this button here. This is the one that you could silence the phone. Well, you can't really push that button as it is. It's just basically a cover for the switch. So if you got to silence it, I think you got to actually lift this up and then push the button, and then it'll silence it. But you can't just push the side of this and it silences it. I'm pretty sure anyway. Yeah, if you look at the construction, there's no way that the button's getting pushed when you push this in. So that's like some kind of security thing as far as it doesn't let you push the silent button by mistake. I'm not sure if I like that or not, but we'll see. I'll keep you updated if I have any problems with it. The one thing I don't like is that there's no covering on the screen, but I think it'll have better mic and speaker functionality without that cover on there. The body glove always had some kind of problem with the mic. Sometimes it wouldn't pick up communication really well. We'll see about this ONN. So this has been a review on the ONN iPhone rugged case from Walmart for $12.88.